little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. And I can't stop myself from falling down. 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 Could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me.
Figure, pati si Secretary Vince Dizon. Well, si Secretary Vince bago-ulan niya, parin niya sa DOTR, Department of Transportation. Bago-ulan niya sila niya sa batse, ang aba niya. For 2025 po, apat gawin, 22 pa lang ang completed. So, ako nanda po ang problema da. Okay? Kaya dapat si 1,700 so 22 pa lang ang natapos. O kasi wala pa natapos sa iba, grabe sa katuig, hindi pa din doon. Kung mabakal ka balay sa mabakal ka balay sa mga servisyo namin nga balay. O, 2 ka bulan lang makapatindog na balay mo. Balay na ha, with furnishing and balay na ha, 2 months. Tapos na yun. O. Wala na, galing, may budget. Abot lang kung din may budget man eh. Kay gin-budgetan man eh. 1,700 classrooms for 2025. May budget na mo. Abot lang kung ang budget din. No? Mula ng mga pamangkot. Kung nagtupa gitman, kung sako gitman ng DPWH, kung damo gitman sila may ginauna, abot lang.